every saw has got a handle that looks like this. Have you ever noticed that? All saw handles look very similar. And look, there we go, this one and this one. And the reason is, you've got two measurement capabilities. I know I need to put a straight line across there. I could use the end and in the middle of this and just use that straight line to draw my line. Very useful, okay? Sewing, marking. Is there any end to the talents we have here? Yeah. But look, that can go between those 3 points and that'll give me a straight line. However, this is always at 90 degrees to the back, to the spine. So if I put this against my wood and come in here, I will get, it's the same as using a set square. So that's why we need so few tools. And if I come along here and slide it, so this edge is tight across here and goes through my 3 points, that is at right angles to the edge. I'll get a nice cut, okay? So here we go, and then I draw. That's at right angles because I've used this and it goes through all 3 of my little V's, which means it's the right distance from that end as well. How many people have done some sewing and it's all wobbling all over the place? If you get it clamped, life is easier. Okay, that's now held. First time I saw jaws like this was on Scrap Heap Challenge back in 1998. It was a revelation. I loved it. If you start sewing, you can move around the place. I want to cut on that line exactly, and that's what I use. Have you seen how clever that is? I've got a spare one, but this is the one I like using. What I'm going to do is put my finger over, making my knuckle. I use my knuckle to rest my saw on, and then when I draw back, it doesn't go up and down the piece of wood. Then what I have to do is make sure this stays upright. And by the way, you cut on the down. You pull it up and you cut on the down. Now, when you come to this stage, there's a very good chance it'll snap the end off. Hence the reason for this little bad boy. Get the bad boy like that, yes. When we get to the end, that is supported. Look at that. Come around, and we haven't lost the corner. That's why I like having one of those handy. If you're working the tools and people are doing this full time, they'll always have a sharp saw. You know, sharp saws are quite important. There we go. And this is my first piece.